Hey guys and gals, this is Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and this time out again, I want to touch upon Stash again. I did make a video, I think like a month and a half ago about Stash, and I will have affiliate links or links if you sign up for either Stash or Acorn down below. And of course, you'll help the channel and you'll help myself if you do that. But I want you to be super aware that they do give out free stocks. Now, you're not going to become a millionaire off these stocks, and it's just like a little taste, a little dab on your tongue, but it's pretty cool because you get an idea and you can kind of see how these stocks that you get for free do over time. So maybe if you don't get additional stocks in that particular company, you can at least see what they're doing. And I'm going to share my Stash account with you, some of my Stash account with you. Okay, I'm not going to get too crazy. But so here's stock parties that they have. They have them now every Wednesday. They started in the holidays, I think around like Thanksgiving of 2022, if I do recall. And then they had a lot around Christmas time. And then it seems after the beginning of the year started in 2023, Stash had them every Wednesday, and they keep having them every Wednesday. And I want to show you to the fact that the stocks that they're giving, and it's not an incredible amount of money, but it only takes, 5 minutes to sign up for the freaking thing. And all you got to do is log in once a week and get free stocks. So they'll send you an email, it says add parties. So I'll show you here. Here's the old parties that I add to my Google Calendar, and you can see the stocks right here, right? BlackRock, I have no idea what BlackRock is. iRobot, GM, UPS was this past week. Oracle was in the beginning of the month. So if you go down here, so I'm going to add these to my calendar, Google. And I just add them because then I get reminders on my Google each Wednesday because I don't always remember. Sometimes busy or out in the field doing my work thing. So you get the idea. Intuit's coming up. So that's a free stock that you'll get. And it's only like 14 cents. It's like a bit of stock. It's like a tad of stock. It's not, you're not bringing the girlfriend to the movies or anything with it. Okay, sorry, I snorted there. Okay, let's get rid of some of this stuff. So I want to show you my Stash account, just to give you an idea. And this is not my complete Stash account, but I'm going to show you this because Hershey is a stock that they gave me for free. And then I went in and purchased other Hershey stock. I think I put 10, 20 bucks in there each week for Hershey because it's just one that I thought, hey, this is interesting. It's going up. Everyone loves chocolate. I'm going to invest in it. Okay. Joann Fabrics, I didn't get free stock. It's in the shitter. I did that on my own. ComScore, I did on my own. Okay, so stocks nationwide, I did that on my own. Okay, so Pepsi Company got free stock on that. I started investing in that. I think like $10 a week. Nike, I think $10 a week. That one I did on my own. That one's way in the shitter. Look at that, 99%, negative 99%, but it's only negative 1% of my portfolio. All right. So, okay, from here down is all the stocks that I've gotten for free over the weeks. And as you can see, 15 cents, 14 cents, 13 cents. It's not a lot of money, right? But it will add up over a year, and it's free. And okay, so this went up 2 pennies. This went up a penny. They're normally 14 cents, what it comes down to be. But the point is you can keep an eye on it. You can see what's going on with it, right? You can go into JetBlue and say, okay, I got a free stock for JetBlue. Let's go into JetBlue and see what's going on. Okay, wow, that's way down, $7. It's been up here for this amount of time. This might be a good time to buy. And we're not officially in a recession. Not officially in a recession, close to a recession, I guess. But it's really a good time to invest and buy stocks. And people think probably the opposite. No. Stocks are way low and they're going to go up. And it's a perfect time to go in and buy. And it's a perfect time to get free stocks. So let's go down the list here. I'll just show you. Some of these you know, some of these you don't know. HP obviously matched the market. Had no idea what the hell that was. Teledeck Health. Clean and Green, Ultra, Oracle, obviously. Lowe's, we all know, I think. Retail Therapy, Awesome Therapeutics, iRobots, except for the Will Smith film. I have no idea what that is. BlackRock, Eaton Corporation, RLG Lodging Trust, Alibaba. Alibaba just did some weird split. I don't think it increased I'll have to go back and read that. They did like a quadruple split or something. It seemed funky, but I don't know. Alibaba's kind of I wouldn't invest in Alibaba, I guess. Honest Company, Anheuser-Busch, we all know what that is. Beer. And UPS was yesterday, actually. Okay. So that's that one. And then just as a segue or a side note, I should say, not necessarily a segue, there's also Acorn. I don't mind sharing my Acorn with you. It was up $3,000 until I broke my ankle, and then I had to take it out to pay off bills and stuff like that. But I'm trying to get back up on Acorn. So the thing with Acorn and what I use Acorn is it's a roundup program. So if you get to a certain amount, so each purchase you get, let me see. So each purchase you get with, okay, this is what I wanted to show you. So the roundups work like this. So say you buy Dunkin' Donuts, I buy a coffee for $3.23, and it's going to round up to the nearest dollar. So it's going to round up to $3, and you can see that's 77 cents. And then you have multipliers. So you have multipliers of 1, 3, 5, and I think 10. So obviously I'm just on 3. So it will multiply what that change, and then you get this 231, and then that will go into this right here, and it will build up. And you can set this, I believe. Mine's at $5, obviously. So once it hits $5, then it will take it out of your account, your bank account, and then it will put it in your stash account. So it's kind of a side fund. It's a slush fund. It's my slush fund. Is that I got it up to $3,000, and then I broke my ankle, and I had a car payment and other payments and things of that nature. It's not built for myself to be any type of retirement thing. It's supposed to be for a rainy day. It's my rainy day fund. Acorn is. I'm not sure if that's what I've invested over a lifetime. I'm not really sure. So yeah, I got to build it back up to $3,000 and beyond, so I can go on vacation or if something comes up again. But yeah, I highly recommend it for a save for a rainy day. It doesn't take a lot of money on your account, and it's just change. It's just change, and it adds up. It adds up a lot, and you barely freaking miss it. Set it up and then let it run. So I should set this up for 5, actually, now that I'm thinking about it, but I'll do that later. So why do you get free stocks? Why does Stash give you free stocks? 100%, I can't tell you, but I pretty much know why. It's the fact that these companies want you to know their stocks exist. They're out there. If you belong to a Stash, if you have a Stash account, they're going to say, okay, here's our reminder. We hear Pepsi, Hershey, all these companies that I never even freaking heard of that I showed you. Here's a piece of our stock. Please invest in us some more. So that's basically why they give out free stocks. It's free to you. It's interesting. And I wish Stash was around when I was a kid, or at least when I say kid, 18, 19, 20 years old, because it's kind of like a game. It's a game it's a real life game with your money, and you can play and you can earn money. And I wish I was smarter when I was a kid. I wish I invested when I was a kid, and I wish this was around when I was a kid. It's a great tool to build, especially start when you're 20, start when you're young, because when you're my age, I'm almost 53, and you're going to have a nice wad of money, and maybe you can retire when you're my age. So think about that. All right, gals and guys, like I said, there's a Stash link in the description. There's a Acorn link in the description. If you decide to sign up, please use those links to the fact that it will help me and it will help the channel because I like to live and eat and buy gas too. So please do that. And that's it, guys and gals. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I will only show you legitimate ways to make money. I will never promise you ways to make money that are going to make you a millionaire, because I don't know any of those ways, because I'm not a millionaire. But certainly this is a way to get some free money for no effort. And please subscribe. And I said subscribe. Like the video if you like it. Share. Please share this with loved ones and friends, to the fact that everyone should be investing their money, especially now in this economy. If you have money, put money into something, because everything is going to go back up. That's the way it's always been for decades and centuries and so on. And then hit the bell for updates. And that's it, gals and guys. I've had too much coffee as always, and I got to go to my real job now, because I do have a real job. So I better go do that. All right, guys and gals, I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.